guys, so today Mama and I are going to unbox. Let's get to it. Border papers! Thank you, Mama!
Regalo yan ni Adriel.
Oh.
Wow, ganda.
Case, which is Kuromi. Thank you, Mama.
Tingin mo kung saan dyan. Open mo. Check it. Check the compartments. Wow.
There is a pencil sharpener. A compatible
Ayan,
pencil sharpener.
nabalik ba siya? Okay. May kabila rin. Nabubuksan yata. Yan, the other one. Yan, the other side pala. Yan. Wow!
Thank you, Mama. A Kuromi notebook.
Wow, ganda. Puro na lang Kuromi. Natabunan si Hello Kitty. Meron pa pala. Wow! Ano yan?
A diamond purple pen.
Galing nga kay Dada. Diba? Dami
Thank
naman,
you,
puro
Dada.
purple. Uy, meron. What's that?
Beige aesthetic multi-fictional notebook.
Wow!
Oh, and it's grid.
Oo, yung gusto mo. Wow, dami stationery.
Ay. Wow, thank you,
May
Mama.
insect. Ayan, tama ng oras niyan. Okay na, wag mo pipindutin. Pwede nang isuot. That's all.
That's all. Bye-bye.